Atlantic County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Cumberland County in southern New Jersey, Cape May County in southern New Jersey, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:43 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Strathmere to near Cape May Courthouse to near Fort Test, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Millville, Ocean City, Cape May, North Wildwood, Laurel Lake, Wildwood Crest, Goodbye, Seattle City, Estill Manor, Avalon, West Cape May, Stone Harbor, Corbin City, Newport, Cape May Courthouse, Leesburg, Scotch Bonnet, Beasley's Point, Seagull, and Briggsboro. This includes Garden State Parkway between mile marker 0 and 27. Protecting yourself from immediate threats to life and safety shall take priority. Whenever possible, as long as it does not cause greater harm, all COVID-19 protective action guidance should be followed. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30.